Hello and welcome from supertool.org. In this video, I will show you how to print out a PDF that has black in the image, even if you don't have black ink in your printer. So what I have here is an example PDF document, and notice it has mostly black here with a barcode and some other text. Let's see what it would look like if we convert this all to color. We can do that by going to supertool.org, and you can go to this application at the bottom which says replace black in PDFs with color, and you can see that on the left side you have an original document which has various gradations of black, gray, and white, and in the modified version on the right you see that it has dark blue to white, and we can do that with your document by clicking browse and finding your own PDF, uploading that, and I'm going to upload that document we just looked at, and I can select which pages I want to convert. So I'm going to scroll to the end of this document where there is that barcode, and we see that it is converting to blue here. I can choose a different color for the output, like red, but I often find that dark blue works best because it mimics black so well and prints richly and darkly. And then you can click download. It takes a few seconds to process this in high resolution because what it's doing in the background is converting the PDF to an image format and then back to a high resolution PDF, which takes a few moments to process. You can open that document that you just downloaded, and we see that what was black here on the left in our original document is now blue. And then you can go in your computer to print and print that document, and it should now print out. This of course assumes that you have blue ink or a different color, maybe a combination of colors in your cartridge that make green or orange or some other color. It assumes that you have some color ink, but this tool can convert that to whatever color you might have. You can download it and print it. Free tool. So if you'd like to do this, you can go to supertool.org. Thanks.